Jain friends, today I want to talk on FDI in defense and why the government of India allowed FDI, foreign direct investment in defense sector, and how much now the foreign companies invest in defense sector. So in last year the government of India approved FDI in defense up to the 74%. So why the government did this step? Government wants to allow the foreign countries to manufacture in India because our import is very high. We are purchasing so much defense equipments from the foreign countries, and we are not importing anything to the foreign countries. So this was the one problem. Then the second problem our defense sector was facing, that the technology which the foreign countries have was not coming to India. So to uh, so to attract the foreign investors and to attract a foreign technology to come India, the government of India take a decision that we need to uh, extend the FDI investment up to 74%. So the foreign countries will attract towards the defense sector of India and they will invest in it. So what are the challenges now Indian defense sector is facing? The first challenge the Indian defense sector facing is that if the foreign countries invest in any company of defense more than the 49%, then the foreign country will become the major partner of that company, and maybe it will take over the that company. So this is one problem. Second one is the second security concern. The thing, if the foreign countries invest, then they will try to regulate the company rules, and they will try to regulate all defense that PSU which is they are investing. So this is the other problem which our defense sector is now facing. The third problem that our defense sector is facing, the technology which the foreign countries have, we thought that they will come to India and they will manufacture here, but not at that large scale the technologies are coming to India. So this problem is faced by our defense sector. So what are the solutions? So mainly there are three solutions. First one, government of India given a statement in the FDI that any security concern, if anything is beyond the security concern of Indian defense, then that company will not invest in India, in defense sector of India. And if they want to invest, then they need to go through a proper guidelines given by the government of India, and they will government of India will check everything, and the check and balance method is introduced by government of India. The second problem was faced by government, the defense sector is we are importing so much and exporting very less. The technology which the foreign countries are having, that are not coming to India. So for that, government needs to make such agreements that if you want to invest in India, then you need to manufacture here, you need to share your technologies with our defense units. So our defense units will increase their manufacture, and they will have the same technology, and we can indigenously manufacture the defense equipments. This is the second problem, that solution for the second problem. The third problem we are facing, more export and less import. So for that we need to manufacture in a large scale, and we need to export our equipments to countries like Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, Jordan, our neighboring countries, and some underdeveloped countries, so they can afford the equipments. So this is one solution. And if we export to underdeveloped countries, then our foreign reserve will be increased day by day. If and if we manufacture indigenously, then any foreign country will not can't assume what are the technologies we have. So if the war happen in future, then no one can assume what are the technologies we have. So this is one benefit we have. So we need to develop indigenously, we need to develop on a large scale. And in last year the government announced 101 products list which is banned. Now we are not going to export these products. We are just going to we are going to buy from our own PSUs or the Indian companies. So this will be help to improve our GDP. So these are some solutions which I noticed from last 2-3 days. So lastly, I just want to say government is doing very well. Government is trying to increase the Make in India initiative at a large scale in defense sector. Government is trying to increase the Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme very large scale, so that our defense sector will become indigenous, and where our reliance on other countries will decrease day by day. So these are some issues. Thank you.